Ever wondered how to properly care for orchids, especially the rare and exotic varieties? Today, we delve into the enchanting world of these unique plants, exploring their specific care needs. Taking care of orchids may seem intimidating, but with the right knowledge, it can be a rewarding experience. Orchids come in many shapes and sizes, each with its unique care requirements. From the flamboyant Cattleya, known as the Queen of Orchids, to the peculiar Dracula orchid with its bat-like flowers. Then there's the stunning ghost orchid, a rare find indeed, and the intricate jewel orchid, cherished for its beautiful foliage. Each of these exotic varieties has characteristics that make them truly distinct. Knowing the type of orchid you have is the first step to providing the best care. So, you've got a rare orchid variety, what next? Well, it's all about creating an environment that mirrors their natural habitat. Watering is a delicate balance. Too much and you risk root rot, too little and your orchid may dehydrate. Typically, drench the potting mix thoroughly and then let it dry out before watering again. As for lighting, these exotic beauties enjoy bright but indirect light. Too much direct sunlight can damage their leaves. Temperature-wise, most orchids prefer a day-to-night temperature drop, reflecting their tropical origins. So a warm day and cooler night is ideal. Lastly, remember that orchids are slow growers, so don't be disheartened if progress seems slow. Remember, patience is key when caring for exotic orchids. Orchid care doesn't have to be a mystery. We've journeyed through the kaleidoscope of orchid varieties, each with their unique needs and characteristics. Remember, the secret to successful orchid care lies in understanding your specific variety's requirements. From Phalaenopsis to the more exotic species, mastering orchid care can be a rewarding experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!